primetime news this evening. Another municipality in discord. The two main political parties spar on a number of national issues. And later, former MAJ president warns against breaches of Data Protection Act in health sector.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, we know that tourism is a major source of foreign exchange for Jamaica, and this evening there's a call for a global tourism resilient fund. What's that all about? I'll give you the details later in the business day.
And thanks, Andrea. I'm always joking that there is Vashan Dashan Romardo, but this is Renardo Brown with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. What's up?
Oh, well, you did have Damien and Deidre.
Yes.
The list goes on. Well, Archie, after scoring twice for Manchester City women yesterday in the Women's Super League, Khadija Bonishaw is not named in the Reggae Girl squad to face Peru. We will tell you why. And Safani Taylor says the time is right to give up the captaincy of Jamaica's women's cricket team. We'll have those and much more in Primetime Sports.
I love this sportscast full of women's news. That's amazing. I love it. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we are asking, how do you suggest politicians can work together for the good of the nation?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.